At 25 years old, I made my first $1 million in my business.
It was like going from rags to riches.
I had ulcer problems, bloody stool, high cholesterol. I was pre-diabetic. I had a fatty liver. I had near adrenal failure. What is wrong with me?
You hear people say all the time, if I just had more money, then everything would be all right.
We now have an entire population who cannot figure out why they are sick.
He would be irritated, he would be upset, he would be angry.
There's something inside of me that's killing me.
Western medicine doesn't keep people healthy.
Ayurveda gives a ray of hope.
I decided to go all in and go to India and go to the root of where Ayurveda comes from.
Ayurveda is an instruction manual for the human system.
I didn't know much about it growing up, but I knew that it was going to fix me.
Your ultimate goal should be to align all the elements and forces that make up your mind-body with the elements and forces that make up the mind-body of the universe.
When you start looking at all of the addictions, whether it's cigarettes, alcohol, food, gambling, and you say, what's driving the train?
So the more we can align with the natural cycles of nature, the more we can come into alignment with our bodies.
There are 100 million neurons in the gut, more than the spinal cord.
There's like a computer program that keeps our body healthy. It's beyond DNA. It's like a virtual program structured into consciousness.
Disease begins not in the body, but in the mind.
Ayurveda's goal is to keep you happy.
The ancient teachers taught us, use food to heal the body.
These are nature's simplest medicines.
We're at a time where some very ancient knowledge is starting to meet extremely exciting modern technology.
I just wanted him to get better.
I am dying. I need to fix myself.
We have to follow the law of nature, the natural law.